In this question, you're given that the number of elements in A is equal to M and the number of elements in B is equal to N. A contains M elements and B contains N elements. And the number of subsets of A is 56 more than the number of subsets of B. Number of subsets of A is 56 more than the number of subsets of B. So that is, n of subsets of A is equal to number of subsets of B plus 56. If that is so, you are asked to find values of M and N. So it is a formula based question. So you know the formula for number of subsets. So the number of subsets of A is nothing but 2 to the power n. Number of elements in A is equal to 2 power n plus 56. So this is the condition which you need to solve. From this, you need to find both m and n. So 2 power m minus 2 power m is equal to 56. 2 power m into 2 power n is equal to 56. Obviously, m has to be more than n, right? Because 2 power m minus 2 power n is a positive number. So clearly, m is greater than n. M is greater than n. Now, so if m is greater than n. Now, as you can see, 2 power m, 2 power m. So 2 power n can be taken as common. So you can think of m as n plus some number k. So can you think of m as n plus some number k? I can think of this as n plus some number k. So 2 power n plus k is 2 power n times 2 power k. So if I take 2 power n as common, I get 2 power k minus 1 is equal to 56. So now 2 power n into 2 power k minus 1. So this is the term which contains 2. 2 power k minus 1 is an odd number. This does not contain 2. So this has to be equal to this. So let us compare the prime factorizations of this number and this number. So 56 can be written as 8 into 7, right? 8 7s are 56. It is 2 cube times 7. So 2 power n times 2 power k minus 1 is equal to 2 cube times 7. So a number has a unique prime factorization. So if these two are same, so 2 power has to be same. That is, n has to be equal to 3 and this 2 power k minus 1 has to be equal to 7. This implies 2 power k is equal to 8. So k is equal to 3. So n is equal to 3 and m is equal to n plus k. That is 3 plus 3 which is equal to 6. So the answer is m is equal to 6 and n is equal to 3. Option B is the right answer.